Hello, beautiful peoples. I'm Jazzy, and today I got a fabric haul for you. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first fabric that I have for you today is this plaid, super cute plaid fabric. Oh my gosh. I got this plaid fabric at a local shop. It's Black owned, so of course I had to support because I love supporting small businesses for one, and just people of color in general, because I know it's tough out there. Yes, I was so excited to find this shop. I'm probably gonna go back there for sure because it's just beautiful. I love it. And I really wasn't expecting to find anything there. I just stumbled upon it and found something that I liked, but they had tons of like lace and sequins, and I'm not really a sequins person, but I might go back for the lace. I don't know. So yeah, that's that fabric. Next, I have this wool, like, if you can't tell, I really like the plaid designs and tartan and stuff like that. That's just 100% me. So I found this. It's so soft, so warm. Can't wait for the fall so I can make like a cute skirt out of it, or maybe a vest. I don't know. I'm excited to see what I do with that. Okay, next I have this paisley fabric that I think I got from Walmart. And my plan for this is like a two-piece set, skirt, and maybe a crop top of some sort. I can't, because I'm always doing crop tops, but I can't decide what specific style I want for the crop top. Like if I wanted a gathered off the shoulder top, or if I just want like asymmetrical cut. I don't know. It depends on what my sewing skills are looking like during this time, because your girl's still a beginner, so I'm getting the hang of things. I'm just figuring it out still. So I for sure think this is gonna be a two-piece set. For sure a skirt. For sure gonna make a skirt out of this because I just can't wait to wear this. Next up, I have this organza, this blue organza fabric. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. This is actually one of my favorite like colors of blue. My favorite shades of blue, I mean. And I'm excited because I have a vision, right? I have this like long jacket that I want to do, like organza type jacket. But I hear organza is kind of hard to sew, so I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna watch a couple videos, take a couple classes, and learn how to work with it. I did take a sewing class before, and we had like a little strip of organza, and the way it kept slipping, oh my gosh. So I'll see how this goes. Hopefully I can learn some tips and tricks though, because I'm up for the challenge. I'm up for the challenge. That's all I know. So yeah, I'm excited to use this, and man, I just love how blue it is. It's my favorite. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I keep saying I'm excited. You know what? This whole video, just know I'm excited, okay? I'm excited to sew. I'm excited to try these fabrics. I'm excited to use all this. Oh, and I didn't even tell you what I got it from. Bro, I got it from Walmart. I can't believe Walmart had that type of pretty organza. So yeah, I'm gonna keep looking at Walmart for my fabrics. But yeah, that's the organza. Next fabric I have is this black jacquard fabric. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if you can see that. Can you see that? So there's a story behind this fabric. I saw this skirt on Amazon. You know how it has like the Amazon fashion, the Amazon clothing. So I saw this skirt on Amazon and I thought, whoa, that's so cute, but I don't really want to buy it. I could totally make that. So I found this fabric on the Amazon's fabric store. I totally forget the name of it. It probably is like fabric store or something. I don't know, but they're online fabric. I found it and I searched for this one, and this is the one that I got, and I can't wait to make it into a skirt and then show you guys just my inspiration for sure of the Amazon skirt, and then also show you how I made it. and how cool it is. So no, this one I'm excited. I really love like anything jacquard type, like bouquet type fabrics, anything with the detail. I love that type of style. So I'm excited to put this in a skirt, and if I have any fabric left over, I can totally make a corset with it or something. I'm working on a corset right now, but man, those are tricky. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, the next three fabrics that I have, I actually got off of califabrics.com. When I really love them, especially because anything like coming from California, you know, they got the fashion district and all that. So I truly love what I can find from there. And speaking of jacquards and brocades, I found this blue and silver jacquard and brocade. I really don't know the difference yet. I'm gonna keep learning to figure out what the difference is, but right now they're the same to me, okay? Anyways, I love this. I'm for sure making a corset out of this. This is what I have in mind for the corset that I'm drafting up right now. And I can't wait to try it because, man, it's so pretty. I already told you guys, I love like a light blue, and the silver details in it. It just adds extraness to it, and you know, like it just makes it pop. It makes the blue pop. So I can't wait to try that out. I can't wait to see what the corset looks like for sure. I have two different corset styles that I have in mind. So if I have enough fabric, or maybe I'll just be a little extra and buy more fabric to try out both, because I really like it a lot. Next up, we have this black velvet. It's like a stretch velvet. I think I did buy 4-way stretch, yeah. My inspiration for that, I bought this skirt off of Dolls Kill that is velvet and lace. It's really cute. I like it, but I also wanted to try and recreate it myself in black. I'm thinking white lace. Your lace isn't very easy when you're applying it, so I know that's going to be a challenge for sure. I think they actually might have a black and white version. This is just another thing where I want to try to make it myself instead of relying on somebody else to make it, and then I'm just quickly buying it up because we're trying to be mindful of our consumer habits. How well it's going, I don't know yet. We'll figure it out, you know, that's why we're here. That's why we're sewing, that's why we're figuring it out and learning new things, so that I don't just buy everything, right? All right, and last but not least, I have this denim. It's like, I think this is indigo denim. I plan to make a 2-piece bustier and then a skirt. And I can't wait to see how that turns out. The bustier is not easy. I'm really having problems right now with my muslin, like just getting the cup attached, the like bra cup, just getting that attached to the bodice. It's not easy, it's a little tricky, but once I figure that out, I can't wait to actually make it in the denim fabric and then show you guys how that looks. And just my ideas. I plan on top stitching with this. I don't yet know how to top stitch, so gotta watch a couple videos, figure it out. But I feel like this would be really pretty with some gold top stitching, you know? All right, guys, I think that's it for all the fabric that I have here. I will for sure go back and buy more, collect more, because buying fabric is so much fun. I get really excited because it feels like you're buying clothes, but like there's nothing constructed yet, so you just get really excited over the designs. I can't wait to go fabric shopping. I'm supposed to be taking my friend to go, so hopefully she can come along, because then it's gonna be even more fun, and then I have somebody to show my fancy fabric to. But for the fabric that I do have that was like online, I will find the links somewhere and then add them in the description if I can find them. Sorry if I can't. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. Stay tuned to see what I make out of these, and keep watching. Just enjoy the journey of me messing up and figuring it out, and keep going, because that's what we do here. I think my biggest motto right now is don't stop, keep going. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna not stop and keep going. So I can't wait to to see how this journey goes. I can't wait to bring you along with me, and I hope you have fun here along the way and you enjoy the videos. I hope you learn something. Hopefully there's something I could teach. I'm just learning it all myself, so go easy on me. You know, I know the internet can be a little rough, a little harsh. Y'all like to tussle, but I am excited to start this journey. I will see you guys in the next video, so bye. See you later.
Hey, Yaxxuan, let him feel that shit.